I'm going to ring it 40 times in honor of...
I don't know how to count that high.
That's true.
Oh, I gotta get over here.
Getting out of the way.
Well, lighting
Rick,
candles.
I think you should be in the picture. Rick, come next to your son. Come on, Rick. Lisa.
In the corner.
Here we are.
I think we've got some.
We need the
Trick candles.
Oh, and I think you need to get a little closer to the candles. Yeah.
You should know I've gotten full of hot air.
I think you need to get a little closer.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Owen. Happy birthday to you.
Vince-Galiva, hey!
Begin.
Just a couple of cakes.
Come on, kids.
Just a couple. Here's the
Give Grandma half the one.
here's the Lightses. That one apparently has a brighter blood. And yeah, I think we'll see what the hell else is going on. I think we have coffee-cated on the burl. Oh, like it's knackered. Yeah, it's not sliding as nice as it did before. How are we doing? Still burling away. Alrighty. Well, I got too uncomfortablated in the house. We got the coffee-cated on and ready. And oh yeah, that's definitely doing the trick right there.
Oh yeah, you can feel the heat coming out.
You can, but it's like what what? Come on,
Like
where's the noise?
Inverter? Does that
Where's the sound?
Does that mean that it doesn't use a compressor? No, I don't use a compressor. Wow, these fins are so flimsy.
This thing is a joke.
Well, there is
Coils are cool. They're not even warm. I mean, there's a lot of surface area here, but even so. I do feel heat coming off of here, but it's
Oh,
like
the window's still open. We gotta close that.
okay. Yeah, that would be good. Yeah, it just got like really.
Yeah.
That or I've been drinking too much, but I think it's more the former than the latter. Oh, we got a leaf it here. I don't want that kind. LG. Smells like lots of algae. See? Look at the grass that move. You know, I will say that the fan actually works, but you'd think inverter technology and all this fancy stuff and things and stuff. Let's see. Right in there, you can see the black thing go by. Oh, that's actually not too bad.
No, it's not.
Bullshite. Still can't get in the telephone network interface though. Indeed, the coffee-cated is ready indeed. Yeah. No, we'll leave that. It's kind of hot.
Yeah.
Everybody can press it that way. I kind of wanted to turn it around, but Susan, so no light, but this coffee kind. Crunchy coffee. Let's see. Oh, it all dissolved. So we're good. And they got a fire burning outside, so we'll go see that. They just threw the couple cake boxes on there. You saw them before. Ooh, that is a nice hot one. I feel like I'm just at home. Italian does this every damn night. Has a fucking bonfire like this every fucking night, the dick. I love watching cardboard burn because it burns so nicely. That's probably why it's such a nice right fire. That's the real deal right there. Yes. There's another one going. Oh, that should go up rather nicely. A couple of seconds. Doesn't take cardboard very long at all. There he goes. Oh yeah. There he goes. Just immediately gone. Look how bright it got. I love that kind. Just totally engulfed. So if your house is made out of cardboard, which most of them are now, yeah, that's what you get. I think there's another box there. We throw that on too. Roast that up for the Italian. Maybe the smoke will go down from Connecticut to piss them off. There's another one. It's almost decimated already. Oh yeah. Oh, the camera's starting to roast. There he goes. And there's even cardboard inside the cardboard, if you can see that kind right there. Yeah, well, Susan probably disapproves of the fire because she doesn't understand that kind. So we'll leave that for a minute, and we got another one to throw on there. Yeah, that one should take off very nicely. There he goes. There he goes. Nice. Uh-oh. We got the big guns. Jesus Christ.
We'll get rid of that in a little bit.
All right, yeah, let's see. Oh my, that is a bright one right there. We got a little more cardboard there, kind of the dry thing sitting there, and then I don't know about that. I think, let's see. I don't know if you can see the smoke yet. We'll give this Italian a run for his money. It's definitely hard to see, but you can definitely tell, unless YouTube, of course, has its way with it. But yeah, there's definitely smoke working there. So it's died down a bit. Put another log on there. And we got this big microwave box to throw on, but that's going to be for somebody else to toss on. I have the honors of doing everything else. You're in somebody else's cabin and they have a Lakewood 3-speed. Sorry, not my place to touch anything, so this is all you get, but
So
yeah,
anyway,
that's
so the
really about it.
There was no room.
Just there. I like the
There's no room. It was,
width of these because they made them like half the width nowadays. This was like a good fan width back in the day. So we have more shit going on.
This is like the unmanned water tank. Here, check it out.
Oh yeah. Oh, Eco Smart. Oh yeah, that works real well. Yeah, definitely. Electricated.
I know you like that. They're working on it.
What is that over there? What the hell is that going to be?
I don't know.
Eco Fart.
Ask
Tankless
Rob.
water heaters. Yeah. Yeah, shut offs and yeah, that works well. Oh, you're all done with your nap, huh?
Yeah, I'm just millennializing.
Right, on his fucking phone. Right, I'm on my phone, but I'm on my phone.
Somebody else's old broken up cabin.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna head out of here. So that was did no, I guess nothing really did suck. Did
No,
it?
sorry.
Yeah, the corn sucked though.
I'm sure it did.
Yeah, well, whatever, it sucked. So
Great, fine, good.
alrighty. Yeah, we're done. Gonna head back to the sharks, and that's gonna end this. Don't know if I'm getting any other video while there this time, but if not, then you won't see any, and if I do, then you might. So that's gonna do it, and thank you for watching. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, you know the drill. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I know we don't have any light, but here's the inverter unit that you saw before, and here's the condensate. And that has slowed down considerably from what it was before. Oh yeah. So yeah, it's pretty damn humid tonight. But wait, there's more. I need to keep it down because it is late, and this is actually the first time that I've been at Sharky's house while his parents are actually here. And I met his parents for the first time in five some odd years or so, at 4 or 5 years. So you know, it's been a long time, and they're very nice and that. And I just took a shower. They have the super duper extra big towel, so that was really nice. And there was a really nice touch. Oh, beg my pardon. I beg my pardon. That was a nice touch. Thank you.